Good evening, Deepak sir. Today I'm discussing about REPL feature in Node.js. What is REPL? REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print, and Loops. What is R? R stands for Read. User input and passes into a JavaScript data structure, which means any user who entered the data structure and any type of data in REPL mo feature. Then E stands for evaluating data structure, which means evaluating the data structure by user. P stands for print result, which we used or which we get. L stands for loop above the features and above this REP in a REPL mode and a loop. Just like a two times, three times, and n times. Now go to terminal. Firstly, we go to terminal. Now we go to terminal. Okay. How to get REPL mode? Simply enter node, then hit enter. This is a REPL mode in which if we use 3 plus 3 equals to 6, 5 plus 6, 56 plus this. This is REPL mode in which REPL feature in which GS expression, which means plus, minus, multiply, division is like arithmetic expressions, just like that. If we use arithmetic operations, is like 9 plus 3, so 2 equal to 11. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. It's like in some complicated evaluation. 34 plus 48 bracket 23 multiplied by 34 equals to enter. This is 34 is not a function. Okay, 34 is not a function. So simply we use 34 plus 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, hit enter, equals to 178. Okay, this is the arithmetic operations in REPL mode. Now if we use an if we create a new directory, a new folder, we use mkdir and the directory name is like a new node. Now hit enter. This is the new directory which we have. It's like a new node. Okay, then second things of use of JS variables. Now what is JS variables? JS variable means JavaScript variables. What is JS variables? If we go to REPL mode, now hit enter. If we use a variable a equals to width, enter. Variable b equals to, now hit enter. If we use a plus b, now hit enter. The value of variable a and value of variable b in using plus arithmetic operator, we get Preet Verma. This is the usage of JS variables. Now we get to third list like multiple line code. What is multi-line code? Multi-line code is like that we use in any loops, any functions. Control C. If we use variable, it's like no here. Here we variable x is 0, and by which we use do while loop. Which in do loop we pass the parameters x plus plus and variable of this output of this console.log and value variable x is dollar, which means this is a ES6 complete literal. If we use in REPL mode variable x is equals to 0. Now do while loop. So we go to do loop, enter, enter, x plus plus, enter. Now console value, console dot log, uh, the value of variable x is, we use template literal by ES6 version of JavaScript. We use dollar sign before bracket curly braces. Now we use variable x. Now close the console value. Now hit enter. Now again close the loop, do while loop bracket close. Now we use while loop here. Now we use x. Now get we enter parameter. Which parameter is like we hit enter and we use x not greater than 8. Okay. Now hit enter. Oops. What is it? Oh, oh. Okay, 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 okay. We didn't terminate this. So by which we again use x is equals to 0. Hit enter. Start do while loop. Curly braces start. Enter parameter. Terminate it. Now console value. Console.log. The variable of x is, this is ES6 version of JavaScript. Oh, oops, it's dollar, not and value. Now close the do bracket. Now use while loop. Now again start x not greater than 7. Terminate it. Why is showing error? Okay, okay, we got that, we got that. We didn't close this bracket. Oh, sorry, sir. Wherever x equals to 0. X plus plus, terminate it. Dollar, we use x, then close it. This is the error. Now we use close curly braces of do while loop do. Now start while loop. Now hit enter. Now value not greater than 6. Now terminate it. It print 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how to exit in REPL feature? It has two type. First is Control C. We exit from REPL feature. If another mode, we go to again in node mode. Dot help. This is the some features. This is some features like a dot break, dot clear, dot editor, dot exit, dot help, dot load, dot save. This is some features of just node REPL mode, just like dot exit. We are exit from REPL mode. Now, what is next? If there is very complicated, so we used CLS clear screen method, clear screen function to clear out the terminal. Just hit enter. Is our terminal is clear out. Now again CLS enter. There's more PowerShells open. Now this is we use. Then now we use clear. Now complete this is clear. Now what is next? Next what is it is used tool for last result. What is this? Underscore brackets, small brackets. How we use it? So now we go to again our level mode and I hit enter. If we use 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. If we use 11, 14 by not entering value, we use underscore plus, assume it's like we add 5, now 19, again underscore plus 12, 31, again underscore plus 45, to 76, again underscore plus 23. This is used for last value, underscore used for last values. Next, what is it? Editor mode. What is this? Editor mode and how to get in editor mode. We use Control C. Now we use firstly clear screen. Now we use node. Now we enter dot editor. Here, boom. We are in editor mode. Now we use if any type of functions just like a const name function we create above const name. We use firstly we enter parameter my name. We use arrow function. Now curly braces start. Now we entered console value console.log packet start. Now the value of value no the name of this person is we use again ES6 template literal. Now my name which is parameter. Now close it, go to some other. Now close this bracket. Now terminate it. Now we hit end this. Now we call we call this function. Now hit enter. Now we use call print comma close this bracket. Now we hit enter. Now this is we are seeing now we are in this editor mode. We control CC. We are in exit. Now if you will not if you single tap nothing happens. If you again double tap, this is the method which and some features in Nodejs like about controller, about signal, aggregate error, date, big int 64 array, error, math, number, string, text encoder, text decoder, set, proxy, message. There are some huge features. We use global this, HTTP protocol, FS file system, events, domain, HTTP2. This all are present in Node.js documentary, which we use in this. We hit enter. Now using Node.js. Now if we go to Node.js original site here, now go to documentation. Now the stable version of Node.js is like this. Here, HTTP to global file system. All are present in Node.js terminal and all are present in original site of Node.js. So today, if we go to our PDF, we to create win. Again, we are again we repeat this one. R stands for read user interface. E stands for evaluate the rating structure. P stands for print result, and L stands for both these REP in loops. It's like a 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times, n times. CL stands for clear the screen, clear out the terminal. If you want to exit the REPL, you use control C twice, or not this basic command is like a dot help, and we use dot exit. If you type none, then folder name and hit enter, so creating new folder, new directory. If oh, oops, didn't mention this. Now we are in this. If I create what we do, null and better than, and we use a folder name, just like a folder name KO node. If we hit enter, oops, what is wrong with this? Oops, we use type null folder name, and we also use type. I think I will use okay. I forget to use this. Tell me what is it gonna find? Hmm? What is this? Is everything okay? Then why is it showing this error? Okay, let me check first again. Now let me this type null. Hit again. Now we hit enter just like a KO node. Okay. We but K node is already created. It's showing error, but it's not compulsory. K node is already created. So now enough for me to talk for today. Now we'll discussing tomorrow about another feature of Node.js. Thank you, sir. Thank you.